parts of speech. Inge kitching chong faidi o chikon sa video ni bising te dini sang parts of speech tam na hin abo kisa srang lene abo jara JRBT apply khaja group D ni bagai apply khaja ro bon ni bago helpful ngana angkak layo aro kaisa topics dong parts of speech ne English grammar ni kaisa part chikon sa part of speech. Okay. Faidi parts of speech tam na hin abasakang seman lane speech tam na hin hingangke speech abono na hino jeng jefru sini wansukmani khani wansukmani feelings aba jeng kebo communication khanjani thangangke jeng kokma sao o kokno na hino speech ike o speech ni no gilama parts dong jemon noun pronoun adjective verb adverb preposition conjunction te interjection o speech no 8 divided khaijak tese sapiona noun pronoun adjective verb adverb preposition conjunction te interjection jefru or word rock thansa ke thepajago sentence ngo afruno speech fulfilling eba teibo meaningful ngo okay faidi obonono kaisa ke samelene pula noun simon lene tam hin noun tam no hin amano yagolo pronoun tam no hin adjective tam no hin verb tam no hin adverb tam no hin preposition conjunction te interjection tam no hin obotamo obono thaise ke explain kai samlene sanan thangke ang o video belai short ka basic idea rina ni thangai tongno no bitnaro video fa sak no nai tong di ba bro ge fula noun by the definition kisana noun tam hin the noun is a word which denotes a person any living being a place a thing and an idea so the noun emon kaisa word a word je kuno mani ni bumung phanangi mano jaga ni bumung phanangi mano everything sana thakai chini mokol busakang je mani khuni nukmani table chair book pencil bufang wafang jotono noun abo je kono borok ne bung fanangi mano meaningful fantung abo meaningless fantung jotono noun okay abo no kono confusion na kre okay example girl boy pen book tree animal bimol sun moon jotono noun okay abo hino take as example Ram is a good boy abo kaisa sentence eba kok betang okay oro noun bomo ngenge ram no noun ram khorcha borok ne bumung ram is a good boy ram belai borok kaham inge ram kai noun is verb ege oborok to ulo fainai tir tabsa gange ulta pulta ngi thangana ge obosi mutunardi ram nongka oro noun verb tamni inba ram kha khorcha borok ni bumung aun bage bo noun ge amani bisingo noun nibo tense kabama types dongo common noun proper noun abstract noun collect noun compound noun countable te uncountable noun ge amsak deep thana naya by bro just noun tam no hin obasimino basic idea nardi asak deep thanga inge ke confusion ngai thanai support ma polonge bogi do thanga nai ge nanga inge noro video ni logi nai te khata kolom na hai nut khai sei ma khai sei practice khai ma gang ke te bo kaham ngan ne khak layo ke abono kari bondo rok saimana mu chungo ke ba comment klai sadi now ni te type ro saimana mu chung ke ba abono kiji task khai tanga na tabu fadi next pronoun ke noun by pronoun belai se related noun hoite no pronoun bo fayo okay pronoun tam hin pule nanelene a pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun mane pronoun ng kay mon kaisa word abo second sentence ro phano noun bodla je word use khaijago abono hino pronoun example Humpui is a good dancer okay second line sentence okay she is very talented or she no pronoun जेमन Kumpui is a good dancer. Kumpui belai masana kereng. She is very talented. Bo belai no talented eba elem genang, elem kereng. Okay. O sentence na umtike basna ma kamu. Kumpui is a good dancer. Take a sentence. Kumpui is very talented. Okay. Bare bar kumpui mang hingke abo khato ya. Aman bagai kumpui ni jaga je she use khaijak mani next sentence. She ni je use khaijak mani obanongka pronoun. The dog is a pet animal. Soyingka nogo palijak nai kaisa animal eba malmata dihin nang semanya. It is nice one. Abo blai nai thok. Okay, the dog ni jaga je next sentence it ni use khaijak mani obanongka pronoun. Abo hai tebo example he, it, I, we, you, they, them, who, which, when, myself, himself, itself. Obahiro. Obrazotno pronoun. Omono karibu kobama tongang absek et kalia. Just obono simi mind kenardi angka klayoro kun confusion or tongla. Ga obahino pronoun ni bagila ma type tongo. I mention kalia just size sim tang chiwan kisatia. Jadi mention kaya hingga oro siri kaya hingga noro confusion pan nang janai. Pronoun ni gila mata যেমন relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reflexive pronoun, the intensive pronoun obahero. Fadi next adjective. Okay, adjective is a word which qualifies or modifies a noun to add something for its meaning. Mane adjective ka emon kaisa word noun to sangthaje naipekhe noun tam nahin adjective ka emon kaisa word abo noun no tikisa modify khaye tikisa khana to khai je tisana bagai je word use khaijago abron no adjective eba je noun no tikisa naithto ke tisana ni bagai je word use khaija mane amnon no adjective. Ike example peacock is a bird. Peacock nga kaisa top. Ike ngari omno tikcha khana to khati sana ngange. Bird or noun omo sangthasing bo ngoi paika. Ke peacock is a beautiful bird. A beautiful or beautiful nongka adjective. A bird noun no tikcha khana to khati samani. Beautiful bird. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Peacock nga kaisa talk amo belai naithok mane beautiful naithok talk ike oro beautiful no adjective kun confusion na kare baba ono mutunari kanke. Peacock is a bird. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Beautiful ne a gold is a metal. A gold nga kaisa metal rangchak and gold is a costly metal. Belai rang kabang marini metal or belai dam. Gold is a metal governor tiksa khana to khai eba modify khai tisana hinke costly metal tiksa damni metal. Next verb. Verb is a word which denotes the action of a noun or asserts something about the noun or reveals events pertaining to the noun. Ike verb ka emon kaisa word or verb no kaisa sentence ni activity, performance, timing, omra buzogo, verb very important verb. Omra kaham ke bujidi. Eke example, boyar play football. Boyar play football. Boyar football thungu. Or play nongka verb. Boyar played football. Ike or played bo verb no. Eke or khanadi play pulani uka play second sentence onke played. Play ni no played in the first tense. Boyar football thungkha. Or okay thungkha ngi thangka. Boyar will play football. Will play. Boyar thungnai football. Boyar eba boyar football thungnai. Or okay thungnai jing thangju. Boyar football thungo. Boyar football thungkha. Boyar football thungnai. Nadi kaisa verb by no bini timing zora bahai ke sen jing thanga. Ike boy are playing football boy are football thungi tongo playing by khai tam bujoka football thungi tongo mane present continuous tense no ti bote se videos na mano next part kaisa cover khlainai group D LDC ni norok video nai tongdi inke obahino tebo example inke is am are was were shall will have has had reach run singing eat drive etc omrogbo jotono verb next inke adverb adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb adverb by verb prior related verb ne hoite no adverb fire okay verb no tiksa modifies khai tiksa proper khai tiksa khana to khai langmano no adverb mean verb the word use khai mani amra no adverb add khai mani ekai adverb he is very fast runner bo belai doi khapru mannai ekai ora fast and verb adverb nke very no or fast about verb no tikcha khana to khai proper khai lango he is very fast runner ekai very kai adverb the train moved slowly sentence ngma khamo the train moved train malu bhai mal slowly ekai slowly no tikcha proper khat lango train moved no and the train moved slowly the slowly no karo adverb the soldiers fought bravely a soldier of belai bon south punugui sobak like inge or fought anka verb aid kharika bravely inge adverb bravely no karo adverb bor bahike fought like inge sahos by bon sahos by the soldiers fought bravely fought anka sobak like bravely inge bon sahos by Geomano Barrock, no confusion. Get next. Preposition. Preposition to Norok, Kabanko no Simon Kaplayo, article and preposition. Game hypernoan takes a side piano. Preposition is the word which links nouns, pronouns, adjective, verbs, and phrases to other words in a sentence to form a proper sentence. Again, preposition again among the word noun pronoun about to some touching 9 5 again overall no verb no noun pronoun adjective the phrase overall no the tense line is a word overall preposition. The example the book is on the table biza pangka table ni sakawa the book is on the table boroni sakawa table ni sakawa on ge sakawa on the table your on no ke preposition or sentence on no borono connection khaine eba table proper khai meaningful khaine the book is on the table bring a saint from the room your hai from ka preposition my shirt is in the shelf in or a preposition. Example in and at by to or for or from over under with through above below beside over preposition nebo gilama types no jemon compound preposition te simple preposition rokne ya asuk dibo thaya joto no ekbari wise by discuss kagen confusion thana yang baya yaglo next okay conjunction conjunction is a word which joins sentence and also links words phrase and clause okay conjunction ke amon ka word about kind sentence rono join claimani obono te tukra kind words ono je sentence namai je word join claimani obono no conjunction jemon Aishuk and his friends are playing cricket. Aishuk te bini friends on cricket thingi tongo. Aishuk te and ngete or and no or kind of sentence no joint line ends no conjunction jemo connection connection mutanagdi get a conjunction fine Isaac and his friends are playing cricket and our end no conjunction he is rich but not happy bo beleno gunang hyphano bo happier bo tongthogia all sentence or but no conjunction he is rich but not happy but no or conditions no condition can go mahano table example and or nor yet after because as though before so also either since till it when where and with okay lastly interjection tamno hinke a word is added to a sentence to express emotional feelings is called an interjection okay interjection okay among a word of any feelings by related the first thing sini khani musung marok ba wanama kirima obrokno sing zefro express kayo abono hino interjection example oh what a beautiful garden the person kunu mungsasak naitok aba tin mokal buskango sajago naitok nugo garden ro aba car new car of panaga afrono sang express like a scene emotion oh what a beautiful garden oh so said hey you have purchased a new car well both of us we selected for the team alas we have lost our friend in the accident okay you have purchased a new car oh nang kasa malkong katal paikha afro sang hey oh pa amtri khoi sini feelings no expression dibo well kaham nongka sungkuni no kasa team selected engka alas we have lost our friend in the accident so accident no kasini bayap no kamawi thangjaka bambo sunu yakari thangka obohai abono ke alas use khaijago abono hino english hokai interjection gefadi balaino hambai norok enjora nai toman bagai ge ulni video nai ne bagai norok subscribe kai didi video nu saja kan ke like kai di LDC group di ni bagai english grammar is the next part of oborno ba tui fan kaisa ke topics wise ke asu jara norok naising tongdi kaham kerong tongdi jotono balaino hambai